Hello friends, I hope you all are doing fine. We all know that tomorrow is our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's birthday and our National Children's Day. So I thought to draw a picture on this. First I drew with the pencil, then I started highlighting with the black marker. Now I will color it with the pastel color. I'm doing the balloons with the different shades. I love shades. First I have put orange one, then red one, then yellow one, then blue one, and then purple one. I'm in the middle of my work. I'm putting poster color now, so that I do not get color dirt on my dress. I have put on apron. I'm almost done with my picture. I'm doing background with yellow. Friends, if you draw anything, you can share your picture with me. Let me know whether you like my picture or not. করব। I'm done with my picture. I have drawn Bangabandhu is celebrating his birthday with children like all of us. Thanks for watching. Wish you all happy Children's Day. Bye.